First tree down. That's the berm. Looks like the water's dropping here finally. But you can see the berm. A lot of trees and bushes down. And that's the YMCA berm. All the debris. Look at that up there. All that mess over there on the YMCA. Let's turn in here. See what we see. There's a lot of snap branches. Everything's intact. Barco Newton YMCA. Everything is intact. Let's go in the back here. I guess somebody decided that they were going to put their trailer there. This is all the backs of everybody's place. Look how high the water is. Extremely high. Actually, if you see over there, you can see how much it actually has changed.